Can Neha tell? Neha or Harshit, can you guys tell me what is hydrogenation?
Mom, adding oils into the chips.
Oil, yeah. You can more technically you can say adding hydrogen group to the chemical compound.
Yes,
Adding
adding
hydrogen group to the
hydrogen.
chemical compound. It's hydro. Yeah, hydro means hydrogen, and genation. Like you can also say hydrogenation. Like you can say like that also hydrogenation, or you can say like hydrogenation. Means like you are adding the H2 group in the chemical compound.
Yes.
Fine. Then we were talking about acrylamide. So acrylamide is a chemical that can form in the starchy food. So whenever you are going to cook the starchy food in high temperature, then like such as frying or baking, so you will be getting a chemical from that. So that can be carcinogenic. Yes, so carcinogenic means cancer inducing. Yes. So both
Yes.
kurkure and lays are typically fried at high temperature, which can result in the formation of acrylamide. So acrylamide is formed while uh, while in the process of making kurkure and lays. It is formed. So then we will talk about artificial additives. So some snack contains artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. So these things are very common. Like you yourself know. So if you add some artificial flavors and colors, that will add a more, more aroma, more it looks like very, like it gives you the feel of eating. So when you just see the color of the kurkure or lays, you feel like eating them, right? So
Mom, they're attractive.
attractive, very, yeah, correct, they are very attractive in nature. So that is because how they are getting that attractive nature, because like of artificial flavors and artificial colors they use. So they are called as artificial additives. So obviously they are very harmful to your body. So when you use artificial flavors and artificial colors, they are harmful to your body. While these additives are generally considered safe in the amounts used in food, some individuals may have sensitives or preferences to avoid them. So usually what's happening in day-to-day life, we can see this like in many of the food nowadays they are using additives, artificial additives. But the thing is, you have a limit. If you are using only in the certain limit, that cannot harm you much. But if you are using in more amount, then obviously like it will be harmful for you. So that is artificial additives. And then high sodium content. So many snack food, including kurkure, and what is sodium? Yes, what is
Ma'am,
sodium?
it's an element, ma'am.
Okay. In a normal local language, what can be sodium?
Sodium is a type of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Something. Mom, I don't
It's
know.
a salt. It's a salt.
Okay.
Sodium is a salt. Sodium means Na. You can say NaCl. Sodium chloride. Sodium means Na. Cl will not come. Na. So high sodium content means high Na content. So many snack food, including kurkure and lays, are having high in sodium, which can contribute to hypertension. So hypertension, when you have a lot of salt content in your body, it leads to hypertension and other cardiovascular issues when consumed in excess. So when you take them in excess, so you will have high cardiovascular issues you can have and hypertension you can have. So high
Mom,
sodium.
cardiovascular are heart diseases.
Yeah, cardio means heart. Vascular means tissues. Normally, what are the vascular tissues? Xylem and phloem. But don't have to connect this to here. Like
Okay.
xylem and phloem is in the plants, right? So what is the use of this xylem and phloem? They transport water and food in plants. Like that, in
Yes.
our body also we have vascular tissues. So we have vascular systems to take the food items from one place to another. We have the systems. So cardiovascular means heart. The thing you can say the blood that is going to heart, something related to that. So that is cardiovascular. You will have heart diseases. You can say like cardiovascular issues. You can also say like heart attack or like cardiac arrest. Those all come under cardiovascular issues. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hypertension. Hypertension, you yourself know. More tension, right? Stress. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next is monosodium glutamate. Sorry. Monosodium glutamate. So MSG, it is shortly called as MSG. Some flavored snacks may contain MSG, monosodium glutamate, a flavor enhancer that some people believe can cause adverse reactions such as headaches and nausea. Although scientific evidence on this is mixed. So they are telling like you have something called monosodium glutamate, that is MSG. For some people, it can cause headaches and nausea. I hope you know both. What are those two, headaches and nausea? Nausea is something related to nose, running nose. Sometimes you feel the breathlessness. Nausea, normal common cold. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Although scientific evidences on this is mixed, so it's not proved yet, but they tell monosodium glutamate can cause these things, can have some reactions. So high fat and calorie content. So this is very, very obvious. So whenever you take a junk food, whatever food like in junk, if it is going to be a junk food, it is going to have high calorie content and high fat content. Agreeing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever it
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
anything, any junk food if you take, not only kurkure or lace. So these snacks are often high in fats and calories, contributing to unhealthy weight gain and associated health risk if consumed excessively. Yes. So homework. What will be the homework? Take any five kind of or five very popular snack, or you can say popular junk food, packed food, junk food or packed food. You can take, for example, you can take kurkure, lace, munch, anything else is there, like some junk food, packed junk food items, any chocolates, like you can also take some
Ma'am, can we
Miranda.
use chocolates?
Yeah, munch, I have told you, munch or dairy milk or whatever chocolate you like, or five star. You can take Miranda and Sprite. Just take all these packed food items and calculate how much fat is there in them or how much calorie.
Okay, ma'am.
Fat or calories. Okay, note it down. You can see them in the, wait,
Ma'am, how can we see it?
yeah, you can see that Miranda, for example, Pepsi, fat content. So if I just type like that, uh, you can see here. See, if you take Pepsi, see in this you can see. Have you ever saw this area? In every packet it will be there in Lay's,
Yes, ma'am.
Kurkure.
Yes, ma'am. I saw.
Go there, note it down. What is there? For example, total fat, sodium, how much is there? Total carbohydrate, how much is there? Compare. After noting it down for five snack, I told you to take any five. You can include one chocolate, you can include one chips item, one drink, or you can include harmful junk foods and note it down. What are the things present? Calorie, fat, sodium content, whatever is present, you note it down and compare which one is having higher. For example, sodium will be higher in chips item and fat will be higher there. So somewhat you will be having, and also note it down. You can see in this, like they will be given like you have artificial flavors and colors. It will be written like that somewhere. So they would have used artificial see, preservatives are used, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate. They have used these preservatives. So like that, it will be there. So what are the things they have? See, a lace packet they have given sodium, potassium. So what are the things they have used? Like that, I'm telling. Yeah, go and note it down. That is the homework. Take any five junk food. Yes, yes, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the last class homework?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Set to.
you said to fry lace or kurkure and see what happens.
Yeah, what happened?
ma'am, can we see?
No, your video is off. Do that.
And should we show the chip?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me, show me. And Neha, what about you? Have you did?
Mom, I haven't done, but in my opinion, it will fly. It will fry quickly because of the presence of oil, like a lot of oil.
Not fry. I actually told you to burn, no? Did I say to
Yes,
fry?
ma'am. Heat, ma'am. To heat.
To heat or burn, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's like actually I threw the chip after doing it.
I hope the
Ma'am,
screen
it
is visible.
softened and the color changed.
Yeah.
And the oil is produced very much.
See here. Jovi's herbal papaya. Sound won't be visible. Sorry, here you can't. You won't be hearing the sound. Yeah.
ஃபேஸ் வாஷ் இது உங்கள் முகத்திற்கு தருகிறது நேச்சுரல் பிரைட் க்ளோ.
One second.
ஜோவிஸ் ஹெர்பல்.
You can see, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
While it is burning, can you see some kind of liquid? Like something is melting like that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what may be that? That may be what? What is your guess?
Ma'am, the liquid of carbohydrates and everything, like oil.
It can be. So what it contains? What it contains?
High fat and calorie.
It contains plastic. It contains a minimum amount of plastic. Plastic in the sense they don't really make them with the help of plastic. They're not making kurkure with the help of plastic. But when you burn, some reactions happen and it is like a plastic. But the question is why when you burn only like you get the plastic smell and thing. So what happens when you eat kurkure? It's actually getting burnt inside our stomach, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So same thing happens inside your stomach also, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how harmful it is, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and try this in your home. Once again, you will also understand. To ensure the safety and healthiness of any product, it is important to read the nutrition information. That is the homework I gave you, right? Take a 5 popular snack, junk food, snack pack the food. Note it down the nutrition information. What are the nutrition information? It is given there. An ingredient list, okay? Do this activity actually. Provided on the packaging. Moderation is the key when consumed processed snacks, and it's beneficial to balance them with the diet rich in foods, vegetables, and whole grain. So it's not like you should never eat them, but you should not eat them very often. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, eating junk food can cause tonsils.
Can cause what?
Tonsils.
Tonsils.
Yes, ma'am.
It can cause. If that junk food is having something that is going to affect your throat, or like that is going to affect your tongue, then like in the glands which is present in the throat or tongue, then you can definitely get. You can also research that. For that, you can do a research like this. We can do like which junk food causes
Ma'am, actually, I have tonsils fever.
what.
Ma'am, actually, before I got tonsils fever.
Mm-hmm. See here, fried and junk foods like chips, pakodas, and samosa can irritate the lymph nodes. That's why I told the lymph nodes of tonsils means it's present in your tonsils. That is your throat area there. Exactly. So you have to avoid like crunchy food like chips. So as I told you, fried and junk foods you have to avoid, obviously, right?
Ma'am, cool
Spicy food.
item.
Cool item also you should avoid. You should not put a lot of spicy, lot of chill, lot of hot in that area. Then it affects actually. Everything should be in limit. If you put extra excess, then it will cause some problems. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
sugary items, will they
Sugar.
cause?
You're asking sugar item will cause tonsils or not?
Yes, ma'am.
I think no. Sugar item won't cause tonsils. We will search. Wait. Will sugar cause tonsils? It won't. I think so. Yeah, sugar can also affect tonsils. They have given. Sugary drinks and diets high in simple sugar can contribute to the development of tonsil stones. Actually, tonsil stones. So sore throat, you will have a sore throat. Sugary food can make a sore throat worse and delay the body natural healing process. You should eliminate.
Okay.
Yes, sugar can also cause tonsils. Sugar can cause fried, oily, and junk food can cause also that very cold items like very cold juice can affect, but not for everyone. That is a thing. So if you basically have that problem, then if you should be very careful. You should not be very lethargic. You should be taking care of that. If some people will have that, basically they will have that problem of getting tonsils very easily, but some people are normal. For me, like it's very normal. I never got. So I can go for that extreme cases, but still it's not advisable.
Okay.
So I hope this is good. This is very informative thing that I have included. So what is the thing present in kurkure and lace? So trans fat, acrylamide, artificial additives, high sodium content, monosodium glutamide, high fat and calorie content. Now, 9 of the healthiest fat sources. So I hope you would be knowing this: avocado, salmon, egg yolk, sardines, olives, chia seeds, nuts, sunflower seeds, peanut butter. So these are all healthiest fat sources. So fat means we will always think it gives you fat, like your weight will be increased, but you have some healthiest fat is also necessary. Can you tell me why fat is necessary? We saw one thing. It is helping us in
Keeping the body warm.
keeping the body warm. Okay, one more thing. I think we have seen like it helps in organ protection or something like that. No?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, it
see,
protects our organs.
protects the organs, and important for cell structure also. Source of long-term energy. So fat is a source of long-term. So this is what I'm trying to tell. Don't forget the main points. Protecting
Okay,
organs, long-term energy, absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The only three things are there in fats. Don't forget. They're important to our body, but we take the fat in others by other sources, from other sources. But better take the fat from these sources like avocado, nuts, sunflower
ma'am,
seeds.
every day eat nuts and nuts.
It's good for health then. Now coming to minerals. So we are actually discussing about components of food item, right? First we were seeing about carbohydrates, protein, and then we saw about fat, vitamins, and then we saw about kurkure, and now we are going to see about minerals. So minerals are again very important in our day-to-day life. What is the function of a mineral? Inorganic. So what is a mineral first of all?
Ma'am, minerals.
Ma'am, minerals help in
Mm-hmm.
like teeth and building bones.
Yeah, mineral help in everything. So if you want to say in one word, mineral help you in everything. The function of mineral is inorganic element that play key role in building bones, especially when you want to build the bones, teeth, blood, muscle, nerve function, as well as metabolic. So what is left here? This is the entire body mechanism, right? Bones, teeth, blood, muscle, nerve, metabolic process, everything. It's just a whole body, right?
Yes,
Complete
ma'am.
body. So minerals
Yes,
actually
ma'am.
help you in complete body. So if you want to make your body good, it's helping you completely. What is the source of mineral? Meat, dairy products, fruits, vegetables. So fruits and vegetable are the major resources of minerals. Grains and nuts. Nuts also. Major resource of minerals. Says. What are the types of minerals? Calcium, potassium, magnesium, trace minerals, example iron, zinc, iodine. So calcium is helping in building the teeth. Potassium is helping in something. Magnesium will help you in something. Iron will help you in something. Zinc will help you. Iodine will help you. Everything, every single mineral is helping you in some way, right?
Yes.
So note down the one more homework. So take these list of minerals and just note it down like in which area they help. For example, calcium help in building your bones, and they also help in building your teeth, making
Ma'am,
making
will
your
you
teeth
send this
strong.
homework in WhatsApp?
I will send, but you can note it now itself. Note it down now itself. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is mineral. The function of mineral is inorganic element that play key role in building bones, teeth, blood, muscle, and nerve function, as well as in metabolic process. Sources you know already. Types is major minerals. So these are the major minerals. Calcium, potassium, magnesium, very helpful in day-to-day life. Trace minerals are like iron, zinc, and iodine. And then water. So water is like universal solvent. It's a universal solvent. So it's like water is everything, right? Without water is just nothing. Nothing can survive in the world, right? So
Yes,
water is
ma'am.
essential for life. It's essential for life. Involved in every bodily function, including digestion, absorption, circulation, temperature regulation, excretion. For every system in your body, you need a water. Without water, nothing is possible in this world. Sources of water is drinking water, beverages, and moistures in food. Yeah. And then comes to fiber. So what is a fiber is another important thing that plays a major role in your life. So function, what is the function of a fiber? A type of carbohydrate. So it's very important point. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. That body cannot digest. Important for digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Yeah. Then what are the sources? Whole grain, fruits, vegetable, legumes, nuts, and seeds. So we know the sources of the fiber is like whole grain, fruits, vegetable, legumes, nuts, and seeds. So what is the function of fiber? A type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, important for digestive health. This is an important point. It's a type of carbohydrate, but body cannot digest. Important for digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Can you tell me some sources of fiber? Vegetable source, you can say.
Mom, spinach.
Ma'am, green leafy.
Okay, green leafy come. So they will say something called as varai thandu. I don't know in say wait that is banana stem. Banana stem. So the banana stem looks like this actually. Have you know this? Do you know this?
Mom, is it sugar cane?
No. Banana stem.
Oh.
Banana stem. So this one, have you ever saw this?
No, Mom.
Have not seen.
Ma'am, sometimes I saw, ma'am.
Yeah, it's very rich in fiber. So if it is a fiber, means like only this comes to everybody's mind. This is very rich in fiber content. Very rich fiber content. It's a banana stem. Yeah, so if you have this daily, see, fiber means, so I don't know, Neha, whether you remember or not. Then we were talking about that before lesson. Body movements. I used to tell when fiber is there, you can see this kind of structure.
Yes,
Like
Mom. Mom,
so.
tendons and
Yes, ma'am.
ligaments.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, you said.
So can you see the same kind of structure here?
Yes, Mom.
Ma'am.
So you can say this is a fiber very easily because whenever the fiber is there, you will see this hairy structure, hair kind of structure. So if
Yes.
this hair kind of structure is more, then it is very rich in fiber. In banana stem, it is it will be more. So it is very rich in fiber, obviously. Yeah.
Yes, Mom.
So yes. So this is all about fiber. So whole grain, fruits, vegetable, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Each nutrient group is vital for health, and a balanced diet that includes a variety of food ensures that the body gets all the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally. So everything is needed. You cannot say I need only minerals, I can live with fiber. You cannot say like that. Everything is important, right? Vitamins, minerals, water, fiber, everything is important for your body functioning. Correct. Okay. Now, what is the chapter number? Components of food. I think first one. So actually, this is your book. So yeah. So next one till now we were talking about vitamins, but those things are not there in your book actually. I have included it outside. So now we will start with the test of everything. Test of starch. And then comes test for proteins. And then comes test for fats. So how we will test whether a food item is having a protein, fat, or
Ma'am,
what? Yeah.
ma'am, by adding some solutions
Yeah.
for carbohydrates, iodine solution.
Yeah. Yeah. Like that you have some process. And then you have three tests in your book. We will see that all the three tests. And then what do various nutrients do for our body? That is basically we saw vitamins. See, they have given brief about vitamins here, carbohydrates, vitamins that we have already saw, but we will again see what's given in your book. And then balanced diet. They're talking about balanced diet. And then diseases. If these are not there in your body, what kind of diseases you can get? That we will see. That's all. Lesson over. Yeah. So tomorrow we will complete all the 3 tests. Test for starch in the next class, test for protein and test for fat. Yeah.
Ma'am, test for fat is the easiest test.
Yeah. All the 3 are very easy. No need to worry.
But some solutions we need, ma'am.
I can't get you.
Ma'am, for fats it's easy because we need only a paper.
Yeah. We will see. All the tests we will see one by one. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then bye bye.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
what
ma'am.
is PD, ma'am?
What?
What is PD?
PD, personality development.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, then bye. Hope you have noted down the homeworks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.